As Catholics, we believe that every human life is sacred. Each person, made in God's image and likeness, has equal value and dignity. Being equal, however, does not mean that we are all the same. God made each one of us to be unique, with our very own passions, talents, gifts, struggles, desires, needs, and mission. These differences are a prerequisite to equality, because real equality goes beyond sameness. Imagine two boys, one short and one tall, trying to watch a baseball game that is happening on the other side of a tall fence. In order to see, the shorter boy requires a stool, but the taller boy does not. If we treated the boys as if they were the same, we would have to give them both a stool. But this gesture would be meaningless to the taller boy. In fact, what we would be doing by treating them the same is disrespecting their legitimate differences. Instead, by treating them equally, we would have to give them each something different. To the shorter boy, a stool, and to the taller boy, nothing. Equality means that we are treated with love and dignity in our differences. In Jesus' time, many people were treated as lesser. In particular, women in ancient Israel had restricted rights and freedoms. Jesus challenged these customs radically by the way he treated women and how he spoke about them. He did this not by denying the fundamental differences between men and women, but by treating them with equal respect and love. God looks at us and sees us as we are, and he offers himself, his mercy, healing, and love to each of us in the measure that we need. We also know that one day we will stand before God and he will judge us. Because he is just, he judges lovingly, not with indifference, but precisely taking into account our differences. Thus, true equality does not mean that everyone gets the same thing, but that everyone is treated differently based on who we are. We must learn to love others in their differences, recognizing their strengths and weaknesses, just as our Heavenly Father does for us.